Good evening, friends. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we do have offices in three parts of the globe. Unlike the great companies like Ola, Uber, Swiggy, Zomato, Lenskart, Paytm, Delivery, Flipkart, we are not unicorn. But unlike them, we are 100% profitable with $0 backing. I repeat, $0 backing from any venture capitalist or private equity firm, which is irrespective of the fact that many venture capitalists and private equity firm are writing us on Twitter, LinkedIn, on my official ID, email ID that they are willing to invest. But we are not interested. As we speak, Treasury Consulting is a hedge fund. By hedge fund, we means we take positions in various asset classes, which includes equities, commodities, crypto, fixed income, and many. But like I said, our hedge fund is a proprietary hedge fund. Now, the proprietary hedge fund means that we take positions only backed up by our own capital. Now, which means that suppose today I am taking a position of $100. Now, that position of $100 is backed up by own capital. It is not backed up by the third party capital or any third party investor. So we are a proprietary hedge fund, which effectively means that no third party capital is allowed in our hedge fund. So today we take a position of $100, $200, $500, $1,000 or any amount, it is backed up by our own capital. Like an American hedge fund, we take positions in FICC, which stands fixed income currencies and commodities. Of course, we do have crypto and eventually we'll have more asset classes. Apart from that, we have our training programs. We have our OTT platform. OTT stands at over the top, just like we have Amazon Prime and Netflix. But yes, as compared to these big platforms, we are relatively very small, but we are expanding. Probably by end of December 2022, our OTT platform would be much bigger compared to what it is today. We have our consulting desk, we have our private placement program, we have our trainings, we have our learnings, we have our family office desk, we have our pension fund desk, we have our Sheetal Academy, and many more products. In case you wish to have any information about our products or our services, you can WhatsApp on my personal number, which is +91 9899242978. Alternatively, you can WhatsApp at our back office, which is +91 9818485155. I repeat, we are 100% profitable. Of course, we are also sitting on huge valuation, but we don't want to boast that. More importantly, Treasury Consulting is pretty active on social media, which includes YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp, Dailymotion, our news channels on Telegram, our short-term apps, just like we have Moj, Josh, Chingari, Zilly, Trendo. We are almost on every social platform. And eventually we are planning to have our own app of short videos. This may take a while, but we are planning. In case you had wanted to have any information, you can WhatsApp on our personal number, which is +91 9899 Alternatively, you can WhatsApp at our back office, which is +91 9818 485 155. Thank you.